Hello and good evening, students. How are you? So, today I will explain the story The Boy Who Broke the Bank. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. Student, yesterday I have explained, I have told you background of the story. Also, I have told you some information about the writer. Today I will explain line by line of this story. Student, I think that you must also go through the text. You must also open the textbook and you must also read the story because the situation created by writer, the sentences used by writer, the words used by writer, they are very important. They are interesting and something we can learn from the language of writer. And we improve our language from stories, novels, and poems. So my best suggestion is that after this period, you must read this story. You yourself read this story. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to finish this story. So student, let us go to our uh, lesson, this story. That there is a boy in this story and his name is Nathu. Nathu is the main character in this story. And who is Nathu? Nathu is a sweeper boy. Sweeper boy means झाडून काढणारा मुलगा, झाडू मारणारा मुलगा. So Nathu is a sweeper boy. He sweeps. He works in a bank. His duty is to sweep the floor of bank, to sweep the yard of bank, to sweep the steps of bank. So his duty is to sweep. And as I told you yesterday, this whole story is based on a rumor. Means Nathu speaks something, Nathu speaks a statement, that statement changes into a rumor. And it starts, as it goes on spreading, it takes bigger and bigger shape. And finally, there is a bad effect on bank. What happens of that rumor? We will see what is the final result of that rumor, who, which people are affected, etc. We will see in the story. But let me tell you that Nathu is a super boy and he consciously, unconsciously spoke a word, a sentence. And that sentence became rumor because it is the tendency of people when they hear something small and when they want to tell that same thing to other, they make it bigger. Then what happens? That news continues becoming bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. Something is added, something spicy is added into that news, into that rumor. Something is added. Then that news, that rumor goes from mouth to mouth, person to person, family to family. It goes to market, it goes to functions, etc. And this is how that rumor takes bigger shape. And finally, there is a bad effect. Remember that rumor has a particular origin. Let me give you an example. I'm not sure whether that example suits here or not. But as we know that the Ganga river, the river Ganga starts its journey from Gangotri. It is in Himalaya. When it takes birth there or when it starts its journey, it is in the small form. It is in the form of stream. Stream means Zara. But as that river travels by passing mountains, valleys, cities, farms, and when it reaches Kolkata and finally the Bay of Bengal, when it reaches the sea, that time it takes a bigger shape. And so there is lot of change between the origin and end of Ganga. The same happens with the rumor. When it begins its journey, it is very small, but when it completes its journey, when it finishes its journey, it is very big. It has take very and many people are affected by such rumors. So this is very interesting story, comic story written by Ruskin Bond, and he just he tells how is the Indian tendency, because Indian people are mostly they don't have work. Many people are empty-handed, empty-headed, empty head. रिकामे डोक्याचे. There are many people they are empty-headed. When they are empty-headed, and so they are interested in such things. They are interested to give birth to the rumors. They are interesting to spread the rumors. They are interesting to watch the effect of rumor, because Indian people they like to do tamasha and they like to watch tamasha. So rumors mostly ends in time pass, entertainment, but sometimes it has very bad effect. So here also, though comically, that rumor has bad effect on the bank itself. So what happens exactly? Definitely we will see in the textbook. Definitely we will see in the story. So student, let us go to the text. Now open your textbook and see page number 48. Let me start the story. Nathu grumbled to himself as he swept the steps of the People Nagar Bank, owned by Seth Govindram. He used the small broom hurriedly and carelessly, and the dust, after rising in a cloud above his head, settled down again on the steps. As Nathu was banging his pan against a dustbin, Sitaram, the washerman's son, passed by. Sitaram was on his delivery round. He had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes balanced on his head. Now, by the first passage, we understand few things. What is the opening scene of the story? We will see after a few minutes. Before that, what are the other characters? Who are the other characters? So, Nathu is the major character, main character. Second one is People Nagar Bank. Of course, we can call this a character, though it is not in the human form, but still we can call this character because it has also some role, it has also some effect, it has also some personality. So we say People Nagar Bank is also character. Number three, People Nagar Bank. This is the bank in People Nagar because in the story there is a town. Town means Chote Shahar. There is a town and the name of town is People Nagar. And in that town there is a bank. Its name is People Nagar Bank. There is one more character. The name of character is Seth Govindram. Seth Govindram. Who is Seth Govindram? Seth Govindram is owner of this bank. Owner means Malak. Seth Govindram is owner of People Nagar Bank. There is one more character that are mentioned in this passage. Let us give number 4. That is Sitaram. Who is Sitaram? Sitaram is the son of a washerman. Washerman means kapde dhonara, dhobi. So what is the duty of washerman? He takes dirty clothes from the customers. He washes them he dries them, then he presses them, press means istri karne, and then he returns to the customer. The customers in return give him payment, give him money. Now Sitaram is the son of washerman. Till so far we have got the introduction of four characters. Now let us go to the opening scene of the story. What is the opening scene of the story? There is a town. The name of town is People Nagar. In the town there is a bank. It is a morning time. Morning time. It is the early morning time, and Nathu is a sweeper boy. He is sweeping the steps of bank. As he is sweeping the steps of bank, the dust is raising up. The dust is rising up. जसाच तो झाडूने झाडू मारतोय तसा धूळ जे आहे ते वर उडते. As he is doing it, the dust is rising up and again settling down. At the same time, he is, what is said, uh, banging his pan against a dustbin. Means he has a broom. Broom means jhadu. He is banging his broom against dustbin because he want to remove the dust. But he is doing two works. One work is he is sweeping the steps of the bank. At the same time, another work is there going on, and that work is he is mumbling something. Mumble means बडबडणे, स्वतःशीच पुटपुटणे. He is mumbling something. And by this, there it is early morning time, and there comes another boy. This Sitaram. This Sitaram is in the same age of Nathu. They have the same age. They have the same job also, to give service to the people and return get money. So Sitaram, he is the son of washerman. That he is passing by means he is going from there. This Sitaram watches Nathu what he is doing. Sitaram and Nathu, they are friends. They know each other. So Sitaram, as he is passing by the bank, how he looks, on his head there is a bundle of cloth, freshly washed cloth. Bundle means gathoda. On the head of Sitaram there is a bundle of cloth, and he is balancing that bundle of cloth, and he is walking because he wanted to go to the houses of customer, and he wanted to deliver those fresh clothes, and that is why he is doing his duty. But remember, both Sitaram and Nathu, they like to do extra job. And what is that extra job? Entertainment by talking. So Nathu, when he finds nobody to listen, he talks to himself. And when Sitaram is going by that way, he talks to Nathu. What he says, what he says to Nathu, we will see. Let me wipe the board. So students, let us continue. Sitaram was on his delivery round. He had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes balanced on his head. Don't raise such dust, he called out to Nathu. Are you annoyed because they are still refusing to pay you an extra 2 rupees a month? I don't wish to talk about it, complained the sweeper boy. I haven't even received my regular pay, and this is the 20th of the month. Who would think a bank would hold up a poor man's salary? As soon as I get my money, I'm off. Not another week I work in this place. And Nathu banged the pan against the dustbin several times just to emphasize his point and giving himself confidence. Now students see that what is the conversation between Nathu and Sitaram? That's as Sitaram is going, Sitaram says to Nathu, don't raise such a dust. Are you angry because the manager of bank is not increasing your payment? Because the manager of bank is not giving you extra 2 rupees per month. Now see, what is the relation between raising dust and getting angry? Actually, when you sweep the yard that is dusty, naturally dust raises up. There is nothing of anger, but this Sitaram, just he wanted to open the subject. Just he wanted to tease Nathu, and that is why he said. He said to Nathu, "Don't raise the dust. Are you angry?" And I miss angry because your manager is not increasing your payment. Then Nathu says, "Forget about increment. Manager of this bank is not giving my regular payment. It has been 20 months that I could not get my payment." Remember, student, it happens generally an employee or a servant gets his payment after 1 month. It means at the end of the month, payment is given to employee or to the servants. This is the system we have. But this Nathu says that since 20 months, I could not get my payment. Think, this is the bank, and bank itself cannot give me payment. As soon as I will get my payment, I am off. Off means I am off means me गायब होणार. As soon as I will get my payment. It means Nathu is working there only to receive his payment, only to get his payment. He is waiting for his payment. And waiting has been such a long that it has been 20 months. So this was the conversation between Nathu and Sitaram. And when Nathu said this, that when the moment I will get my payment, I will not work for next week. On the same day, I will go from here. And so that when he completes his sentence, when he finishes this sentence, then he again bangs his broom against dustbin because he wanted to get confidence. He wanted to emphasize म्हणजे भर देऊन सांगणे. He wanted to emphasize his sentence. He wanted to emphasize his opinion that whatever he is talking, it is very sincere. Whatever he is saying, it is very important and also true. And so, student, this is the communication between these two boys, and this communication or this dialogue spoken by Nathu. What dialogue? That it is a bank, and bank itself cannot give my payment. My payment means that servant's payment. He is a sweeper boy. How much his payment may be? 10 rupees or 8 rupees. But even that cannot be given by the bank. Then definitely there is another thought for the educated people. What another thought? If the bank cannot pay for the servant, then what is the problem with the bank? And that is why this very sentence, that the bank cannot pay the payment of a sweeper boy, this very fact becomes rumor, and it starts spreading from house to house, from person to person, from market to function, and finally it has very bad result on the bank. But of course the writer has handled this subject very comically. We will find comedy in this story. So next passage. Well, I wish you luck, said Sitaram. I'll keep a lookout for any jobs that might suit you. And he plodded barefoot along the road, the big bundle of clothes hiding most of his head and shoulders. See, students, what he says, well, I wish you luck. Then when Nathu said, that this bank is not giving me payment on regular time. I want to leave this job. Leave means सोडून जाणे. When Nathu says that I want to leave this job, I want to leave the bank, then Sitaram shows sympathy towards Nathu. He says, wish you luck. I wish you luck. Why luck? Because very soon you get your payment and very soon you go from this place. So he says that I wish you very luck, and again say that I will look out a job for you. What he says, I will keep a lookout for any job. Look out. Look out means शोध. I will keep a lookout for a job for you. It means that I will find a job for you. I will find such a job that will suit for you. So don't worry about it. And so this way again he balanced the bundle of clothes on his head and he went away from there. Now this was the communication between two boys. And any person can say it is not that much serious. But how this changes into rumor, we'll see in the next period. So we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.